Are they listening?
Listen.
Are they listening to you? Okay, be careful. No, leave that in there. She's okay, remember? Nope, she's okay. Leave her. You don't have to put your finger in there. You don't have to put your finger in there. It's okay. She got it. Thank you. Thank you. Go. You want to go get the doggies? Let's go get them to run. All right, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Remember, Winston's hurt, so we're going to go and get Carter to run. I'm coming. Carter. Carter. Let's run. On your marks. Ready? Set. Go. Tyler, run. Run to the tree. Run fast. Run fast, Tyler. Faster, faster. Carter, go. Go. Tyler, he's not listening. Did you fall? Ready? Go. Run to me. High five. Come run and high five me. Ready? Come on. Run fast. High five. Right here. Come on, high five. High five. Up high. Down low. You're too slow. I love you.